County Board of Supervisors voted just tonight to help county residents with flood relief. Last week, supervisors declared a state of emergency as authorized under Iowa state statute and applied to the state of Iowa for assistance in flood relief. All repair and redevelopment within the floodplain must be completed to the standards of the county's floodplain ordinance. Typically, a permit is needed for each building in the floodplain where repairs are needed for residents of any unincorporated area within the county. While the requirement for a permit can't be waived, supervisors voted unanimously to waive the $110 in fees associated with the permit.
They're, $110, it's not much, but it's what the county can do for this process. And we certainly want to make it as easy for people as possible when they navigate all this new red tape and all these new regulations, just trying to recover from a disaster.
If you are a Woodbury County resident and you want to see if you qualify for a floodplain redevelopment permit, you can contact the Planning and Zoning Office. That information is inside this story right now on KTIV.com.